विसवा उपरांत येवकार. हॉस्पिसियोच्या डायलिसीस युनिटांत पेशंटांचे हाल. डॉक्टर वेंकटेश आपले परीन मदतीचो हातभार लायता. मात विजेच्या त्रासाक लागून कामकाजांत आडमेळी येता म्हण डॉक्टर वेंकटेश सांगता. जाल्यार दुसरे वटेन पेशंटां उपचारा खातीर सरकारा कडेन दयेच्या नदरेन पळोवन दुकां गळयता. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
We have not seen that one dusre कडेन. And another thing, we believe in this doctor. We want the same doctor. That is the thing, we are coming here because we trust this doctor. We don't trust other doctor, because the patient, he always think which doctor is good, and this is the good doctor. That's why we come with him. But they ask us to go somewhere else, which we don't like. We don't like it.
बट हे आता जे तरेन पळय चल्ला ताजो त्रास तुमकां जावपाक लागला.
खूप त्रास जाले ना रे. पळय 8 दीस जाले. 8 दीस लोकांक सारके डायलिसीस ना. आनी डॉक्टरान कितें मातशें खंयच्यान लायट घेतली तरी ती ते बंद करपाक कितली तजवीज केली तेमी. ती लायट घेवपाक एकलो मनीस आमचो मेलो. तो तेका लिफ्ट ना जावन तेका वयर चडोवंक जायना जाली.
केन्ना
तो मेला 3 दीस जाले आतां.
This patient is paralyzed. He is on dialysis and he cannot move all his 4 limbs. He is extra by 4 kgs today and he is having breathlessness. If I don't remove that 4 kgs in dialysis, by night he will die with pulmonary edema. That means suffocation and he will die. Today morning 7 o'clock he landed up here on the wheelchair. So now it is 1 o'clock we started dialysis. By the grace of God, another 3 hours he will go happily without any problem, and he'll come back day after tomorrow for dialysis. It is inevitable. I had to start dialysis here, otherwise I would have taken him to Cancun. Problem is he is paralyzed. All the 4 limbs are not working. I cannot take him to Cancun by any means, right? And he is having suffocation. He is gasping for breath. So I had to dialyze him here only. There is no other place. The patient is a very poor patient. He cannot afford to go to a corporate hospital, private hospital, because they will put him in the ICU. They will ask him to deposit 20,000 rupees immediately, which he doesn't have money even for 20 rupees for a bus fare. Patients have gathered here, almost 15 patients have gathered here with their attenders, and some of them are very serious. And we came to know on my RO plant, some antisocial element has disconnected 2 wires which is coming to my water treatment plant. So the water production was disconnected due to the electricity cut off.
हां
माझ्या मिस्टर आसा पेशंट.
ते काय जाशिल्लें
आयज
डायलिसीस
आशिल्लो
खंयच्यान आयले तुमी.
आमी कुर्तोरीच्यान येयलो. तोय बी हे डायलिसीस ना जावन मातसो सिरियस आसा.